Welcome to 930 Northwest 4th Court here in the heart of East Boca. This home consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with a pool. This large driveway makes it perfect for entertaining guests. One of the best locations with A-rated schools, 5 minutes from FAU, less than a mile from Mizner Park, 8 minutes to the beach, close to places of worship. Come on in and I'll show you around. Inside this modern kitchen that is fully renovated with open concept flows into this spacious living room, and these concrete with epoxy floors add to the modern sleek look. Outside is this large and beautiful backyard, which makes it perfect for entertaining family and friends. You can also easily screen in the patio, which makes it comfortable for hanging outdoors. Come out and enjoy this beautiful backyard by laying out in the sun or by taking a dip in the pool. And here we are, minutes away in Mizner Park, where all the local shopping, dining, and bars are. And after a 7-minute drive, here we are at one of Boca's most finest beaches. Thank you for taking this tour with me. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me.